Hello, man. What do you think about Russian Revolution? Can you explain a little bit?
Okay, that's a good question, man. It was the Russian revolution was led by the Bolsheviks, a political party then, and it has two parts: October and February revolution, and the October revolution was the final revolution, and it was during 1917. It was 1917, and the leader of the revolution was Lenin. He lived for 4 years. After that, he died. He had a 3 times brain hemorrhage, and then he died.
Before dying, he had 3 times brain
hemorrhage. Before dying. And the bad thing with I do not agree with this revolution. The most of the people around the globe who are communist, they call that as a revolution, but I don't call that a revolution. It was a very big mass assassination, because he killed millions of people over there, countless. Because they established immediately after they succeeded to kill the monarch suspiciously out of his what it is called, his palace, and by the order of Lenin, they killed him. And after that, the peoples were not happy with that.
By killing monarch.
Yeah, no, they did not disclose the message to the public. They keep the suspicious, and people were asking for, where is the king? And the national army then split into 2 parts. One supporting the conservative, another supporting the revolutionist. So almost half 2 part. And this red army of the Bolshevik and this national army who support the red are known as the Red Army. And the rest of the others, they are supporting the conservative. They split to the other side. Then it was a very dangerous split in that time. Then what did they do is, those who are questioning about the monarch, who is the king?
Forcefully question.
Yeah, as a whole public were questioning on them, because it was a very big population. Very, very big population. It was the territory of Russia was then up to Norway, Poland, Austria. As a whole area was Russia
at
that time. Because after the communist regime went down, 15 countries were divided, split from the Russia.
USSR.
Yeah, from that means it was a huge loss, very, very huge loss for the Russia. They lose the land, they lose their very, very big population, they lose their great intellect, scientists.
Romania and Bulgaria.
All of them.
They are the
Turkmenistan, yeah.
Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan.
Yeah, Poland. Yeah. Poland also. Yeah, Poland also. Poland, Crimea, Ukraine. All of them.
Ukraine,
yeah,
Ukraine.
All of them. And to stop the question of the common public, they establish a Cheka, an institution named Cheka.
Turkey is also part of Russia or what?
No, Turkey is not. I think few part of the Turkey was then, but Turkey never have the good relationship with the Russia. I have to see this, okay? It was a part of Russia or not. Okay. Then that Cheka was so suspicious. It was a secret army of the Bolshevik. Secret army. They used to go to the villages, every single village. They used to reach the people. They used to know the idea of the people. That Cheka was so strong. They had the authority to accuse, arrest, and charge them and assassinate them. They used to have a right to kill them. Full charge. And such a suspicious. And what did they do is they kill whole villages. Females, mothers, ladies, children, old men. There is no question for the young man. They kill every single man. Such a huge cleansing of the population.
Catastrophic for that area.
Yeah, very, very dangerous. Therefore, the number went to very high. Therefore, I call that as not as a revolution. It was a mass massacre. It was ethnic cleansing.
No.
Therefore, I don't like communist, because communism is fundamentally wrong principle. It is based on the terror, killing. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.